What happens if you eat dates in winter? Let's check it out in this video today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva, I'm your dietitian. Dates. It's a sweet, rich delight to binge on throughout the winters. Yes. Winter comes with numerous allergies like cold, cough, running nose, etc. This amazingly sweet and tasty dates comes with unquestionable benefits, especially during winters. Dates is rich in fiber, antioxidants, vitamin B6, minerals like magnesium and potassium. Fiber in dates help in preventing constipation too. Antioxidants help in boosting the immune system, thereby preventing the seasonal allergies. Minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium help in preventing bone related problems like osteoporosis. But when and how can you consume these dates? Fresh form of dates in the morning on an empty stomach benefits you in managing cold and cough. You can also consume it in the milk or add it in your smoothies or to your salads. So try adding this amazingly sweet delight in your daily diet and enjoy the benefits of it. And if you've liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel Apurva Dietitian in YouTube and follow me on Instagram and Facebook pages too. I'll come with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.